Hey guys, let's talk about the H88 night vision test. If you're considering buying this camera, here's the test with the night vision, okay? So I have the camera in a different environment and I have a light here in the ceiling and the camera is working right now, but if I just come here and turn off the lights, you see the changes there. There's a dark area here and here. There's no infrared light on this camera, so there's no way to make it better. And if I completely turn off the light there, so there's no image at all. So it basically doesn't work, right? So I just need to bring some lights back. Then you see now I can have some image there and more lights. And then it just works like this. So again, this is the night vision test. If you're considering buy this camera, now you know that you cannot use it at night time. I hope that helps. I'll leave the link here in the description for this camera, and also for a good SD card. You can use this camera during the day or with some lights around, but not with night vision. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.